You don't think so? Okay.
You got your signs on?
Yep. I need one in the back that says, keep right except to pass. That means you.
Yes. The only reason you got them like them is because them the ones casing you.
Yeah.
You never ordered one.
Yeah.
From for what you want.
Again, lock the video. Same person. Comes over here, doesn't use turn signal. Goes over there, don't use the turn signal. What a nut. Am I turning up here at the light?
Yeah.
Okay, let me move up a little bit.
Did you lock the video on the Eagle?
I did, but I couldn't tell. I looked at the video and I couldn't tell if